Hello, you guys. This video I want to share that something I have done some things. Uh, the better word for this is I have done some stuff um, in my dot files, right? First, I like to share the program that I've already downloaded. Um, it's a I think it's a compositor. I just fiddled the documentation for like 40 seconds, right? But let's start Mux and have a quick view of what I have done. So my home packages have some additional packages. Duff Rofi have to Postman, PGSQL, oh, uh, PostgreSQL, pgadmin, MySQL, and MySQL Workbench. So I like to open briefly the Max here and document it. I want to open my annotations. It's quite slow. I don't really know why. I think my computer is a mess. So in the learning, maybe here in this section I already talked about Rofi, and let's see if my encoder is correctly set it. I think so. So the new features I've done, I've implemented in my config files is Duff, Duff, MySQL related packages, or better, uh, database related packages. Um, so in this file is this system. If I go to system packages, I can see that it's shrinked here. I moved things from here, and I can show another file called programming languages. I already added Python, Python related, Python related. Well, never mind. Python related. I've already added PHP and here enabled Beacon as a service. I have not restarted the system yet to make Beacon start with it, but next I will do it. Next video, all my new terminals will have Beacon as system service running. Instead, now I'm just running as a background service, as a background app in the terminal session. Never mind. But I can show that. Yeah, I have done, and I can do some more stuff here. That is tools. In tools, I can create and file a file. Oh shit! I can create a file. I can create a file called frameworks, which in I can add some more stuff. So here I have programming language. First I need to declare package here because I'm using it as an prefix. I'm just modularizing it. So inside here I install some frameworks which need to be installed, right? I'm currently a freelancer, and I'm working with an app in Jetpack Compose. I'm using Kotlin, and I'm doing this all in Android Studio with Vmode, but I'm gonna develop a site in the near future, and I may create another app for smartphone. So I'm willing to use Flutter, and then I just need to fetch it here. It's quite straightforward in NixOS ecosystem. So I need to download the Flutter app package, but I want to, I don't know how to say this. Um, um, okay, I like to to take the chance to I think the take is the best user here, more informal, and chance, no? Right? So I like to take the chance and download another useful frameworks like this one. So I don't know if I need to install React. I can install React as a no. I think is something that you can you is not projected to be installed this way and managed by um, NPX, if I'm not mistaken. So if React is not downloadable right here, I can conclude that React Native is the same thing, right? No need to install React like this. So I need to say if NPX is installed, right? Is good. So I'm wondering what another frameworks can be downloadable like Flutter like this. I don't really know. I don't really remember. It has some SDKs here of .NET, but honestly, I have a Windows dual boot, and I prefer, at least at this time, use C# and .NET in Visual Studio with Vmode directly in Windows. I want to install that only in Windows and not in Linux. In the state of art and in the current state of art. I don't know. Maybe in the future, .NET is more integrated with Linux, but as I searched, it's only the core .NET, like ASP.NET Core, and not all the whatever. It's not all that I need, right? So Flutter is right here. I want to just download it, and while it's downloading, I will pause the video and think more of what possible tools I can download in the same way. For me to not forget what I'm thinking right now, I'm gonna take the chance and just use this opportunity to fix my fonts in the browser, right? The the browser has Japanese fonts here, are a little messed up. So Flutter is current downloaded, right? Let's rapidly and quickly read the documentation here. The get started. Linux. Install Linux. It does not have a page here describing how to install. Seriously? Write your first app. Test drive. Terminal and editor. Flutter creates test drive. Flutter devices. Flutter run. Let's see if it can quickly create the app here. I'm gonna create a window here. Flutter create app, test app. He's complaining about what here? I don't know. So cd test app. Okay. I don't know if the icons are right here. I don't know. I think it's not. So Flutter devices and Flutter run. The Flutter run you only run if you have a device. So at least is creating the project, right? Let's see quickly. Yes, it's creating. So let's see the Dart file, main.dart. Yes. So no problem here, right? 3-seater install Dart. Downloading, compiling. Okay. I think it's fine. There's no real problem here, at least until now, right? Let's fix the fonts of my browser. In the Japanese fonts, quite messed up. So I already had experience in Arch Linux downloading Noto fonts. Let's see if any. It seems that I'm installing fonts here. Let's search for NixOS fonts. Fonts.packages with packages. Oh, I'm wrong here. Fonts.packages. It seems that I need to put it inside the. There's no option for Home Manager? I think not. Yeah. let's just install directly in the system. So currently it's wrong here, and there's no option for fonts in this path. So I just want to quickly delete this and move, no, not the, yes, no, whatever. I want to go to the system. In the system, I want to create here. Let me quickly view here the where the community typically puts the fonts. Fonts.nix system programs. It's in programs. It's in programs. I don't really like this path. It's not a program. I think I'm gonna create a folder called fonts and default.nix. Just oh, is that's wrong. Whatever. So here I'm gonna paste this, and I can delete the fonts folder from here. Here I can change the fonts, right? I forget to add emoji, right? So let's write that. It's the default system fonts pathing, and I need to add fonts to here. Let's see if that's working. No, I need to git add first, since I have new files, because the Flakes and the NixOS environment cares about it, and keeps track of it. So it's downloading the fonts. Now it's really downloading the fonts. Okay. Restarting SysInit to activate entire. Okay. Let quit from the browser and reopen it. Here I gonna. So now it's good fonts. Okay. I fixed that already. Now, so fonts, Flutter. What more do I think the scope is is sufficient for this video.